In this video, I am going to show you how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. Open your browser and search for Kali Linux. Then you'll get this page and open this. Download or get Kali. And here, click on the installer images recommended. And now scroll down and click on this one to download. Or you can also use this button to download Kali Linux OS ISO file by torrent also. Okay, click on this. I have already downloaded, so I'm going to cancel this one. Okay, okay. Open your VirtualBox. Click on enter. Okay, click here new and give it a name. I'm going to give it Kali. Here you select Linux and here you scroll up and select Debian 64-bit and click on next. This is the folder where your Kali Linux is going to be installed. So if you are leaving it, you can leave it default, and if you want to install it somewhere else, then you can click here and click on other. I'm going to change its place, so I'm going to VirtualBox. Here I'm going to install in this folder. Select folder and I'm going to click next. Okay, I'm going to specify its RAM 4096 and it's 4 GB RAM. You can also specify more than that. It's just enough for Kali Linux. Okay, I'm going to assign 4 cores of CPUs, and you can assign more if you have. Okay, click on next, and I'm going to give it a storage space of 50 GB. Okay, you can give it more also, and click on next. Okay, we have finished it, but you should not start it yet. Click on settings. Here go to advanced, and you need to change this one so that we can share files from host system to guest stations and guest systems in VirtualBox. Okay, now go to system and processor. Okay, it's alright. Display. Here I'm going to change video memory to 128 MB. Total full capacity. And you'll also have only 128 MB. You cannot give more than that. Okay, go to storage and click on empty, and here select this one and choose a disk file. Now you need to choose where your Kali Linux ISO is. My ISO is here, and I'm going to click on this and open. Okay, click on OK. Now click on start to start the Kali Linux. It's starting. Okay, I'm going to maximize the screen. Okay, click on enter to use graphical install. Okay, I'm going to select language. This is the operating system language. I'm going to click on English, continue, and this is the play location where you want to select. I am in India, so I'm going to select India, continue, and I'm using American English keyboard only. This is the language of your keyboard which you are using. Mine is American English, so I'm going to click that one and continue. Okay, it's going to install. Okay, it's asking us to give the name for the user. I'm going to give it host name. I'm going to leave it default and click on continue. I don't have a domain, so I'm not giving it. If you have a domain connecting home network, so you can read here. Okay, click on continue. Okay, I'm going to give the username as GTX Mint, my YouTube channel name. Continue, and here username for your account. I'm going to leave it. Okay, this is the password for your account. Okay, I'm going to give it my password. This is the re-enter password to verify it. Okay, click on continue. Okay, leaving it default and click on continue. Yes, I have only one. Okay, continue. This is a good option, so I'm going to click on continue. You can also choose these two options. Okay, click on continue. Yeah, now click on continue again. Write the changes to disk. Yes. Okay, now you need to choose your desktop environment. I'm going to leave it default desktop environment XFCE. And you can also choose these two, any of two, or those two. I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to click on continue. This is going to take a while. And it's asking us to install Jira bootloader to your primary device. I'm going to click on continue. Um, select this one and click on continue. Okay, it's going to install. Okay. I hope you remembered your username and password you entered before. I remembered mine. Okay, click on login. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we have successfully logged in. We have successfully installed Kali Linux in VirtualBox, and this is for this video, and we'll meet you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.